This is at the Paradise in Lodge. There are monkeys on the tree and they are going to jump. There goes one. There's a whole brigade waiting to jump off. They're all taking their turns. We were just trying to focus on a kingfisher. All these monkeys disturbed it and it flew away. Here's a red-billed hornbill that's much closer. Let me see if I can focus on it. There it is. Red-billed hornbill. We've been seeing plenty of these around here. And on the ground are thick-knees and spurring plover. The bird that just flew was a plantain eater. That is a spurring plover in the center, and those are thick-knees.